Good morning, my dear students of 5th standard. Let's start Unit 5 of Moral Science Leadership Quality, which is at page 23. The best definition of leadership is the act of motivating other people towards a common goal. People that have leadership skills showcase a strong personality and interpersonal skills to lead others in their direction. Leaders help their members and organization make progress and act the right way. Leader inspire others to follow certain path in life. Two seeds lay side by side in the fertile soil. The first seed thought, I want to grow. I want to send my roots deep into the soil. I will force my sprouts through the soil above me. I will enjoy the warmth of the sun. I will produce leaves, flowers, and fruits. I will do good to the world. And so she grew. The second seed thought, how will I grow? What is the use of growing if I send my roots into the ground below? I may be hurt. If I push my way through the hard soil above me, I may damage my delicate sprouts. If I let my buds open, I may be attacked by worms. How will I survive the summer and winter? And so she waited. The next day, a hen was scratching for food. It found the waiting seed and ate it, and so she perished. The leaders lived their lives by following certain principles. A leader should be inspiring, motivating, and role model for others. The points below show the qualities of a successful leader. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a good organizer. When India got freedom from Britishers, he organized the small territories under one flag. He got success in his task, and his leadership will be appreciated and remembered forever. A leader should be patient and adjustable. A leader will have to contact with all the members. Everyone will have different kinds of views. The leaders have to listen every member and make a decision. A leader should inspire everyone. He should make everyone unite, work together for the goal. The efforts of one person cannot get success. If anyone is ready to work together, we will be wonders in the society. The leader should have the quality of decision making. He should have decisions with members. It helps him to make decisions. A leader should have the ability to take quick, right decisions at crucial time. There should be no confusion in taking decision. A leader should do everything possible to move forward. A good leader should never think about his personal benefits. He should give selfless services for the betterment of his team or society. A leader should be free from any fear of consequences. He should always remember it is not only the title that make a leaders, but his attitude, ideals, and actions. A leader should have the quality to insist both from inside and outside group. It is possible only when he is convinced of the righteousness of one's decisions and plans. A leader should have simple and pleasant look to make others comfortable. in his presence. He should have the patience to understand the problems and emotions of the other people. Dear students, let's read 10 principles for leaders. Avoid unnecessary criticism and complaints. Give honest and sincere appreciation. Make the complaints feel important. Become genuinely interested in other people. Learn to smile wherever possible. Call others by their name. Be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. Talk in terms of other men's interest. Remember that actions speak louder than words. Don't try to imitate anyone but have one's own identity. Students, these are the qualities and principles for leaders. And your homework is to read the chapter. Thank you. Have a great day.